Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey beyond our planet, where the sun, a seemingly benevolent force, can unleash chaos on our very existence. Today, we delve into the terrifying reality of solar storms. Imagine our life-giving sun, a colossal furnace of nuclear fusion, suddenly turning hostile. Solar storms, or coronal mass ejections as they are scientifically known, are the sun's explosive tantrums, casting out billions of tons of superheated plasma into the cosmos. This fiery onslaught, racing towards us at 1,000,000 miles per hour, has the potential to wreak unimaginable havoc on our technologically dependent world. From frying satellite circuits, crippling power grids, to disrupting our communication networks, the impact of these celestial tempests can be truly catastrophic. Hold on to your seats as we venture into the heart of this celestial phenomenon, exploring the terrifying reality of solar storms and the devastation they can bring. To comprehend the magnitude of this threat, we must first understand the nature of solar storms. Picture the sun, our glowing sphere of life, suddenly erupting with intense energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. These eruptions, known as solar flares, are just the beginning. They trigger coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, which are gigantic bubbles of gas threaded with magnetic field lines. These CMEs are the real culprits behind the solar storms. Imagine these violent eruptions, spewing a deadly cocktail of charged particles, radiation, and magnetic fields into the vast expanse of space. These particles, traveling at speeds of up to 1,000,000 miles per hour, race towards our unsuspecting Earth. Now you might wonder, how can something happening millions of miles away affect us here on Earth? Well, that's where the silent danger lies. Our planet, enveloped in its protective magnetic field, known as the magnetosphere, acts as a shield against these solar outbursts. But when these storms are particularly strong, they can disturb our magnetosphere, causing what we know as geomagnetic storms. These violent outbursts from our sun can have far-reaching consequences on our planet. They are not just dazzling displays of auroras in our night sky, but potent forces capable of wreaking havoc on our modern technology-driven world. Understanding solar storms is the first step in recognizing the celestial threats that lurk beyond our tranquil blue skies. As these particles collide with our magnetosphere, the consequences are dire. These electrically charged invaders don't knock politely at our door. They burst in, wreaking havoc on our delicate technological systems. Our digital world, so reliant on satellite communications, becomes a hotbed of disruption. Picture your favorite television shows disappearing in a flash, or your calls dropping in the middle of a heartfelt conversation. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Solar storms also have the power to destabilize our power grids. Suddenly, our lives, so dependent on electricity, are plunged into chaos. Traffic lights blink out, causing confusion and disarray on the roads. Hospitals, reliant on power for life-saving equipment, face a crisis of unprecedented proportions. Even our water supply, requiring electricity for purification and pumping, could be at risk. And what about our navigation systems? The GPS that guides your journey to the supermarket or across continents could falter, leaving us lost in more ways than one. Yet, it's not only about the immediate, tangible effects. The financial impact could be staggering. A severe solar storm could cost up to $2 trillion in the first year alone, and the recovery time, 4 to 10 years, according to the National Academy of Sciences. Now, imagine a world plunged into darkness. A world where the conveniences and necessities we take for granted are stripped away without warning. The lights go out, the screens go blank. The silence, deafening. It's a chilling scenario, isn't it? But it's not just a scene from a dystopian novel. It's a real possibility, a threat lurking in the heart of our life-giving sun. However, this is not a story of despair, but a call to action, a wake-up call to the realities we face in this cosmic dance with our sun. In the blink of an eye, our world could be plunged into darkness. But with awareness, preparedness, and a collective commitment to understanding and mitigating the risks of solar storms, we can illuminate the path forward and secure the future of our planet. History has witnessed the wrath of solar storms. These celestial tempests have periodically reminded us of our vulnerability amidst the cosmic wilderness. One such notable incident was the Carrington event of 1859, named after Richard Carrington, the solar astronomer who first observed it. This is considered the most powerful solar storm in recorded history. As it struck Earth, telegraph systems worldwide went haywire, with operators reporting sparks flying from their equipment, some even experiencing fires. In today's world, the impact would be far more devastating, potentially crippling our technologically dependent society. Fast forward to 1989, when a less intense but still significant solar storm caused the entire power grid of Quebec, Canada, to collapse in less than 2 minutes. Millions were left without power for up to 9 hours, a stark demonstration of our escalating vulnerability. More recently, in 2012, a solar storm of similar intensity to the Carrington event hurtled through our orbit. Luckily, Earth was not in its path. Had it struck us, the consequences would have been cataclysmic, causing extensive damage to our technological infrastructure. Yet, are we adequately prepared for the next inevitable onslaught? With our increasing reliance on technology, the stakes have never been higher. It's a question that demands our attention as we continue to navigate the unpredictable sea of space weather. Now, more than ever, we stand at a crossroads. We're faced with a celestial challenge that demands our attention, our intellect, and our unified action. The terrifying reality of solar storms isn't a distant phenomenon, but a present, pressing issue that impacts our daily lives, our technology, and our future. The need is clear. We must fortify our understanding of these solar tempests, delve deeper into their intricacies, and empower our scientific community to further predict and mitigate their impacts. We must invest in our space weather monitoring systems, strengthen our infrastructures, and develop effective strategies to navigate through these cosmic disturbances. This isn't a task for the few, but a mission for all. Knowledge is our first line of defense, awareness, our beacon in the storm. Each one of us has a role in this cosmic play, a part in this universal story. We must unite to protect our way of life. In conclusion, the terrifying reality of solar storms serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the vast cosmos. We've journeyed through the nature of solar storms, their impact on our planet, and historical instances of their wrath. The message is clear. We need to understand, prepare, and act collectively to safeguard our world. By understanding, preparing, and taking collective action, we can navigate the stormy seas of space weather and emerge stronger than ever before. Before we conclude, we have a small request. If you've enjoyed this journey through the terrifying reality of solar storms and found our insights enlightening, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the cosmos. We're constantly exploring the mysteries of the universe, and we don't want you to miss out on our upcoming adventures. So, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe. We promise it's going to be another thrilling ride. Thank you for watching and for being a part of our cosmic journey. We'll see you in the next one.